Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, my stream for today's 1000 time callouts. I completed 0.3% of my total goal, which is 1 million time callout of China committing genocide. So today you can see this is my last 3 days count. So yeah, I will begin very soon. Before that, I will update today's video, which is I searched whole yesterday, and as you guys see today, I dress a little bit different. I dress my traditional clothes, traditional Doppa, because of today's our Doppa festival. I usually don't dress it. I dress shirt a lot, but I don't wear Doppa. The reason is I have pretty big head, guys. Just honest with you. I have pretty big head, and this Doppa is 2015, just one day before leaving from Urumqi, and me and my parents searched whole Urumqi from big bazaar. We didn't find the one exactly nicely fit my head. This one is kind of biggest I searched we find, so still kind of small, but that's why I don't wear that much. But today is a special, even though it's small, I choose to wear today. Yes, I just want to show you guys some of my Facebook friends. They also wear the nice beautiful Doppa today. You can see, look at this guy with his son wear his Doppa. His name is Abdullah. He live in Turkey. That's oh, she's very amazing lady, girl. Her name is Martina. She's not even a Uyghur, but she's supporting Uyghur, work for Uyghurs, spreading Uyghurs fairness all the time. And she wear Uyghur Doppa. See, Uyghur Doppa Day 2021. Yeah, she wear Doppa. I mean, every years of this day. In this chance, I want to appreciate her job to Uyghurs. Look at it, look at this guy with his two son, where his all of them really nice Uyghur Doppa. Yeah, today, yeah, actually I usually wear hat like this, but today I just wanna be special and back to my own clothes just for today. Yeah, actually I should wear as much as possible, but as I told you guys, I don't have a perfect size for me. Hopefully in the future I can find, and I have a couple Doppa. I ordered 2 from Turkey after I got America, but still small. Still small. So yeah, look at that amazing Uyghur food, guys. This is chicken, toasted chicken, samsa, our pumpkin manta, our yeah, that's see, a lot of people wear their beautiful Doppa in this special day, so that's why I did. Yeah, guys, that's all about Doppa. See, even Turkish people look at this. All that's what we wear. Like, as a woman has their own Doppa, the guys has their own Doppa. And I posted something yesterday, like each, actually it looks similar, but like each city has their own pattern, you know. And all of these things, it has a specific meaning, scientific meaning. It's just not just pattern, okay? This is kind of like a sprint in a worm, like woman's womb. And these 4 things represent grave or something, a mole. I will do more research about it and make a video soon, probably. Yeah, this is have very deep meaning. So just from this you can see, like, Uyghurs intelligent, Uyghurs ancestor intelligent. Even we as a descendant, we don't fully understand because it's so deep, you know. Look at this, it has all meaning. It's just not just simple, just a random pattern. This is not. It has a meaning. Okay guys, today I will update the video from today, what I got from from online about Uyghurs' real situation. I got some of you for today, and then I will show you guys some of the video I found how the China destroy our mosque. That's even really heartbreaking. Let's take a look. This is from yesterday. I mean, maybe some of them not directly connected to the genocide, but this is just Uyghurs' daily life. Look at the hospitals packed. The background music is a person who took, she put it, or he put it. You can see how sad, it kind of scary. Everyone in the hospital is all the time. That's what my memory about the hospital in China. All the time is packed. Everyone's sick, and they like to give you a shot. They give you some random surgery. Look at this hospital. And don't forget, join our community, guys. Every day there's a lot of crazy conversation going on there. People so chill, and just join and you will know what's going on. A lot of crazy topic, guys. It will shock you what's going on there. All different opinion, people arguing, discussing, debating each other. My strength is coming from your support. And this one is, look at our Uyghur girls. Now they have to take off their hijab, their headscarf. Now look at them. They are all the people waiting the bus or takes them to the. See, this is a train station. They have to be transferred to different places all the time, you know. Yeah, they're moving around. That's what, when I was like student, a lot of my friends went to mainland China to study because of government organized them to go. They say, oh, for help you to learn English, Chinese culture, stuff like that. But no one really want to go. They cry. And this is about what I understand is, look at this is a factory, mainland China. They taken to there, and then she kind of tried to express herself. Where are my friends? Like, where are my co-workers? Like, they all gone, something like that. Look at the second one. It's empty dorm. Everyone left. See what? That's what she's trying to express. Where are they? Like that. Because he can't really talk directly, you know. That's how we have to guess. I mean. Oh, this one is even more pissed me off. This one is about engagement. Han and Uyghur engagement. Han Chinese came to Uyghurs land, Uyghurs family, take your daughter away, and if they say no, the government will easily let them say yes. You know what's going on in East Turkestan, everyone in camp, all the forced labor. And this is about today's, like yesterday's video on internet, the newest leaked video from TikTok or Chinese social media took by Uyghurs, okay? That's why this is a direct first information from Uyghurs' life, daily life. I mean, only the people who lucky enough to have a phone, alright? That's the only things we can get. But still better than nothing. A lot of people don't know what's going on, Uyghurs. Alright, let's see how China destroys the mosque in East Turkestan or China. This is a real video too, like. Look at this. This is probably a Hui mosque. Any mosque, no matter like who pray, as long as Islamics, they will destroy. Especially after Xi Jinping. Oh, look at this beautiful mosque, historic mosque. Now it's only become museum in China, and Z probably not thinking to destroy this now, but I'm afraid they will destroy it soon. See, someone still cleaning. No one allowed to go inside. It's just like museum now. Hey, wa alaikum assalam. Best of forever. Are you in our community group? If you in community group, you can share the news there, so I can bring up here, or you can just tell us here. It doesn't matter. Look at how they destroy mosque, guys. Look at that. Anything has a symbol. Has an Islamic symbol, guys. Have to destroy. Even who believe Islam have to be gone. Have to deny their religion, you know. That's sad. Look at this. This is even horrible. Beautiful mosque becomes a chicken farm. Because China probably think, okay, it's empty building, why not turn it to chicken farm? And some of them is pig farm, you know. They turn the Uyghur mosque to pig farm. And then museum like this. And the tourists from mainland China. And some Uyghurs have to dance, perform for them. Kazanchi is actually my hometown, you know, it's like my home city's most well-known, beautiful area which Uyghurs live, but all those mosques turn to be like this. All tourists just there, and Uyghur, one or two Uyghurs have to perform for them, dancing around, singing around. Those mainland invaders or tourists just have fun having party there. Oh man, horrible. I try to not swear, that's why I'm like. Look at that. That guy probably drunk. That Chinese guy probably drunk. Look at his. And they try to mimic us, learn our dance, because they have no fucking dance culture, you know. They don't even feed themselves well, so how they can have a, they know what is dance. That's why they're amazed by our dance, our culture all the time. In the same time, they're amazed, right? They want to copy, they want to learn. In the same time, they eliminate the people who have those talent and copy and try to replace those Uyghurs from Han Chinese. Okay, this is probably done. Okay guys, that's all about it. I have tons of video, but I cannot show you guys all in one time. This is about mosque and today's leaked video, so let's just let's see. I will change the title to China committing genocide, and then videos leaked day 4. Destroy mosque version. Destroy mosque version. Okay, I'll just put on title here. what it's about. Maybe if you guys see, you will know what's going on in this channel, in this today's video. And oops, not this one. What's going on? All right. Alright, so guys, allow me to start my challenge in Doppa Day of Uyghur. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Only 300, 1/3. I have to keep going. China committing genocide, China. If you guys have any question, just leave it below, and I will answer you guys very soon. Okay. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Hey guys, welcome. Just leave your name, say hi, and so I can know who you are. How you doing, guys? Yesterday, you guys see how they force us, like how they host those drinking alcohol competition in Ramadan. Today I want to show you guys how they destroy our mosque. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Yo guys, and also please join our community. So here's a link. Below here is our link. You can scan it or just check out the description. The first link is about our community, so you can join. We can discuss there. Yesterday, our members, our community members said, I asked them, should I just leave my beard and my hair until I finish my 1 millionth color? It's kind of crazy idea, you know. Just leave my hair and my beard, my mustache, just let it grow till I finish my 1 million call out. They all say yeah. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should I just don't shave till I finish this challenge? Or what do you think? Please, or you just join our community and we can discuss over there. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide. Oh, give me a second. I'll post it on Twitter. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Look at that museum. Mosque become museum. If you guys stay silent, that's gonna be spread to the world, guys. Trust me. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China. One of the mosques, look at it behind me. It's evidence. 600 years old. 600. This mosque behind me is 600 years old mosque. Do you guys have 600 years old mosque in your country? Very few in the world, but China destroying right now. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Hey guys, almost done. Thanks for being here with me. 100 left for today. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing China committing genocide, 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 China committing China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Okay, I'm done with today, guys. 4,000 total, not bad. And also show you guys all the video for today, and if you guys have any question, just please join our community and share. Okay guys, click the link below. If you guys can help me spread this video, that's gonna be awesome, and it's gonna save my time to tell more and more people, right guys? I am speaking out, you guys help me spread to reach more people. That's how we're gonna do it. Please guys, please just remind people there is genocide is going on. Alright guys, if one corner is suffering in the world, the whole world is gonna be same. I know you can avoid by not listening, to avoid all the information, but that's not the way it's supposed to be. We have to help each other to stop to fight with a tyrant, evilest regime in the world. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys later, and I got my phone call from my friend.